Hey everyone, it's James from Epilog. For today's sample club, we're going to be taking a look at a really popular material for the laser, which is leatherette. Now this leather-like material is perfect for engraving because you get a nice black mark on it. It's available on all kinds of different personalized products ready to engrave. So we'll be taking a look at these leatherette journals that are available from JP Plus and showing you how you can engrave them for all your different customers. Let's get started. The journals that we're going to be engraving today were provided by Johnson Plastics Plus. So if you go to jpplus.com, get to their website, you're going to look for the Saddle Collection Leather-like Notebook. These are 7 inches by 9 inches and come in a variety of colors. Today we're going to be using the iron gray and the chestnut, both engraved really nicely. So if you open the sample club file on our website, you'll find 4 different backgrounds that we've designed for you. So we'll go ahead and select our first one. We're just going to center that on the page. Now you can engrave these for all kinds of different customers. You could put company logos on them, a name for a customer, a wedding item as well. That'd make a great guest book. So a lot of different ways to use these. Got that all set up, so I'm just going to print that. And I've got the Epilog engraver as my printer, and I've chosen the selection only. Now this is important so you don't send over those other background images that we've got in there. So I'll print that to the dashboard. So once my file is in my laser dashboard, all I need to do is position it. So I'm just going to use the cameras today, and I'll just put it right over the journal. Now we've made these backgrounds a little bit larger than the journal size, so it'll go over the edges. And then I'll import my settings. So I'm just going to choose leatherette. Now we're going to engrave these on a Fusion Edge 60 watt. So I've chosen 400 resolution. I find that's a nice DPI for what you need for this product. Speed's 100%. Power 70%, and we're using bottom to top engraving. So I'll go ahead and hit print. We're ready to go.
So as it starts engraving, what we're looking for is a nice black mark. If your first settings are a little off, don't worry, because you can always run a second pass if you need to, and just get that dialed into the perfect settings.
Now that we've finished our first engraving project, what we're going to do is get ready to send over our next one. One thing I like to do if I'm doing a lot of the same material over and over again is come into my Epilog settings, go to dashboard. This is really helpful. You can come in and change this to previous settings. Now, whenever I send over a job, it's going to keep these same leatherette settings. So if I'm doing a lot of journals like this is a great way to save some time when I'm going through the process. So I'll come back over to Corel, and I'm just going to drag that background off, put my next background on, and drag this off. Now this is a throughput tip that I find really helpful. If you've got some downtime on your laser and you're doing a lot of this product and selling it online, what you can do is engrave this part of the job and then add the name once the order comes in. And that's going to provide you with a quick way to turn around a product as customer orders come in. For this one, we'll go ahead and grab that, and I'll center that to the page. Select the whole piece. Print that over selection only. Now I just have to center that over my notebook, My settings are ready to go, and I can print it. Now, if you're doing a large number of these, what I would suggest is you create a jig so that you're placing this artwork exactly where you want to each time. You can fill up the whole table with notebooks as well. Go ahead and click print, and we're good to go.
It looks great. There is any additional soot or anything on there, just a damp cloth. We'll just take that right off. We got a beautiful engraving.
So now we've got a great selection of different notebooks that have been engraved and personalized with your Epilog Laser. Whether you're adding a name to it, or doing a graphic across the entire piece, or doing one for a special event, or even with a logo. There's lots of ways to use these Leatherette notebooks to offer to your customers. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to check out our website and our sample club to see more project ideas.